Sir, please, can we meet you?
Yes, I'm Dr. Lines Larry Udoji from Ihiala. Yes, though I'm based in the United States, yeah, I've been the two-term chairman of World Igbo Congress. Yes, the chairman of the diaspora organization, Washington, that gathers in Washington metropolitan area called One Net Number. I've been their two-term chairman. And of course, the pastoral council chair for Nigerian Catholic communities in the whole Washington, D.C. area. Yeah, I've been part of a lot of organizations that gathers for Igbo people, identify our people and hold them together. There's the Apex organization of Ihiala people in diaspora called INUSA. I've been the chairman, of course, presiding officer prior to that. And this is an organization that is charged with a lot of developmental affairs, security, medical in Ihiala town. And then in terms of advocacy for Igbo people, I did all those under the umbrella of World Igbo Congress. So it's the same idea that I felt is good for our people. So I'm a candidate for Zenith Labour Party for Ihiala Federal Constituency in Anambra State. Okay,
thank you very much, sir. Sir, why do you think you deserve the mandate to represent your people in the House of Representatives?
Quite frankly, this is a tough decision for me. We've been Washington over a period of time, and a lot of time we had wrong people representing Ihiala Federal Constituency at different levels. They have not been able to deliver, and they have not been able to learn what representation is. I have done this in different capacities, and I understand exactly what Ihiala deserves: a quality representation, somebody who has experience, somebody who can speak out for our people, and somebody who is trustworthy, straightforward, and somebody who can bring out whatever that is assigned to Ihiala people and bring it back to Ihiala people. So I'm very convinced that of all the people that are floating around now as candidates, that I'm the best person to do this job.
All right. So why did you choose Zenith Labour Party, which you know is a new party, over the major political parties?
You know, quite frankly, it's not necessarily how old you have lived that matters. It's the quality of life that you are living. I ask a lot of questions, and having seen what happened during the primaries, I think Zenith Labour Party has tracks. The people there are people that showed a lot of responsibility, a lot of accountability, people who are straightforward. And I believe at this point in the game, what matters is the party, but also the candidates involved.
Okay. And what are your plans for the good people of Ihiala if you win the election?
Well, we're going to win. Our people deserve the best. You know, I don't know if you have been to Ihiala. There are no roads, Ihiala, compared to all the roads in Anambra State. Yet we have people representing us at the federal level there. Yes, the hospitals that are in Ihiala local government, they are being helped through philanthropy and individuals, as opposed to attracting what is due for Ihiala people through the government. There are also medical issues, you know, reaching out to the individuals. Nobody cares about that in terms of what representations are. And all the things given our quota. Yeah, the Zenith Labour Party, I understood, deals more with equity, justice, and fairness. And this is exactly what our people deserve, and whatever it takes to let them know that we need right representation, and it's not difficult to bring the things that belong to the people to them. Yeah, I am determined to set pace and show example that when you are entrusted with responsibility, you should be held accountable.
With respect to Zenith Labour Party's manifesto, how do you think you can bring it to bear with respect to the needs of your people, Ihiala Federal Constituency?
Well, the Zenith Labour Manifesto deals with equity, justice, and fairness. And quite frankly, for me, it doesn't matter which part of Ihiala Federal Constituency you come from. Yeah, whichever part it is, we deserve the justice, the equity, and fairness, equal distribution of resources, roads, and whatever that makes life supportable, regardless of which part of Ihiala Federal Constituency it is. Yeah, so I'm very determined to do that and work with our people, regardless of which village or which town in Ihiala Federal Constituency. I'm very determined, dependable, somebody you can trust, very straightforward, matured. Academically, I'm also very educated, and I know exactly what our people need. I've always been in Ihiala Federal Constituency. Every year, I participated in all the traditional and everything that is being done to help the constituency. So please, Zenith Labour Party is the last one on the list of the ballot on the list of the ballot of the party ballots. So I would like you to go out, vote, and vote for Zenith Labour Party, and vote for me. The vote you give me is a vote for eternity. It's a vote for our people. It's a vote for progress. It's a vote for development of Ihiala Federal Constituency as a people. It's a vote that helps to unite our people. It's a vote that will be divine, and a vote that will help us to win, so that our people can get what belongs to them and enjoy again as Ihiala Federal Constituency as a unit, and not people that will come to divide us or plant people that are not qualified and make us believe that this is the only time they will remember everybody. So I thank you very much, and I'm looking forward to this election. The votes are going to count. Please, I want you to be part and parcel of it, and part of the success and the win. Thank you so much.